Alright, Reassembly Duel. I challenge whoever wants to come along and play, okay? And then from there you can either challenge me back or pick somebody that's playing along once we get a few people posting it up. So I'll just start the thing, Reassembly Duel. Reassemble the weapon from field strip. I'm leaving the guide rod and guide spring together since the Glock guys have a captive guide rod spring. And just on the beat, reassemble, shoot. Like I said in the post, if you don't have a shot timer, just download one of the free shot timer apps. It's not going to be super accurate, but it's enough to play along and have fun. Not the best round in the world, but I'm on the FBIQ. .91. Your turn. Beat it.